Here we go, 1976 Spitfire, and it has not been started since probably the first week of September, and this is legit. But I'll put my hand on the engine. Totally cold, and we have no clue what's going to happen, except it'll probably start after one try. Okay, give it a shot, Larry.
Okay, let's try it.
Pump it. Keep going. There you go. Okay, turn it off. Okay, now it's started. There you go. That's a cold start.
Not too bad.
And I pretty much guarantee it'll start right away. So turn it off and now start it up. Okay, now I bet you it'll start right away. Give it a shot. Just turn it. There you go.
Not too bad.
What do you think, Larry? You ready to sell it?
Well, I'll tell you what. You see this video, people are going to want to buy it.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to close it up and we're going to move it across the street to my house so his wife can park in the garage in this beautiful snowstorm. So we'll put the hood down, we'll start it up, and then we'll move it out.